Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a developing story. Two suspects wanted in connection with last Sunday's deadly daylight robbery in St. James have been captured. They were captured yesterday during a major operation in Hanover. This was disclosed by the head of the Constabulary Communication Unit CCU, Deputy Superintendent Daly Garrick.
The police were on operation when the men were taken into custody in Hanover. They are now in the custody of the St. James Police, who are carrying out investigations around the double murder which occurred Sunday on Bonnet Street.
61-year-old security guard Canute Earl and 41-year-old driver Floyd Wilson were killed when heavily armed gunmen carrying high-powered rifles ambushed them along Jared Street. The gunmen stole $1.2 million in cash and $2 million in checks. The leader of the Dean's Lane gang, 36-year-old Keon Wellington, otherwise called Scatter, who carried out the robbery, was fatally shot by police on Tuesday.